There's not much snow coming in these days.
Some years we have warm winters and we don't get a whole lot of snow like we used to.
It used to come up to the halfway to the snow, halfway to the window.
As time goes on and it does get warmer, the permafrost is starting to melt. Homes are starting to shift even more. Flood is beginning to make islands out of this little community. At the current pace of erosion, we're losing in the neighborhood of about 70 to 90 feet a year.
Way out there across the river, that's where the land was, and the ground here was much higher. It's like over these years, the erosion's eating up our land here at our current location.
It's 83 feet to the nearest house this year, so we're anticipating getting awfully close, which is one of the reasons why there is the need to start getting our residents out of the village.
Eventually, in so many years, all this will be gone, eaten by erosion.
Just want to talk about a few things, give you some updates. We've got some surveys we want to do that will update you on the layout.
The Mertarvik Community Layout Plan was developed by the people of Newtok with assistance from ANTHC.
It was really important that we work with all pieces of the community, and that ranges from the elders that provide the leadership in the community, to the Newtok Village Council, to students at the school.
We did interviews in the homes, met the people where they lived, their current situation, what they'd like to see differently, and infused those ideas into the planning process for Mertarvik.
We wanted this to be something that was affordable to build. We also wanted it to be something that was going to be affordable to operate once it was built. We worked to incorporate the potential for as much renewable energy as possible and to really focus on the opportunity to provide recovered heat and reduce the energy cost of living in Mertarvik to make it as sustainable as possible.
We were able to take the community's ideas of having a centrally located core to the community, which included the school and some of the main key buildings such as health clinic and post office, have that all centrally located, and then the residential homes outward.
We want to make sure there was enough housing in Mertarvik to eliminate the overcrowding problem that exists in Newtok today. Most importantly, we wanted to make sure that the subsistence lifestyle of the community was incorporated into the layout plan.
It was really important to capture their cultural values, their traditional Yupik subsistence way of life, and infuse not only the access to resources, but understand that 90% of their life and their food source was coming from where they lived. I think this is something that we could draw strength from, lessons learned, and certainly help empower other communities that have to be relocated to do the same.
What ANTHC actually did was they listened.
They work with our community to get where we are right now.
The 450 residents that's been waiting 17 years for them is the opportunity to move to a cleaner, healthier community.
I know my kids and my grandkids will have better future.
I think it'll be a great opportunity for everyone to be a happy and fulfilling community once again.
The community layout for the new village site builds upon previous efforts to assist Newtok to relocate. This layout is a community-driven, collaborative, and engineered design to guide and accelerate relocation in the years to come. It will take continued involvement and investment from the community's partners to make Newtok's vision for a healthy and sustainable community into reality.